Hey everybody, it's Adrian. Thanks for watching my channel. Back with you guys for another pre-work mukbang. Today I whipped up some garlic butter shrimp with pasta, with angel hair pasta. This is the first time I ever made this. I usually use shrimp in soups and stuff like that, stews, but with garlic butter pasta like this, garlic butter shrimp, I've never done this. So this has red pepper flakes in it, oregano, parsley, some shrimp, obviously lots of shrimp. It's time to eat. The amount of butter that this recipe called for, ridiculous. Just asking for a whole stick of butter. I mean, I did it. I want it to taste good. But I can't eat like this every so too often. Too much butter, man. It's a lot of fat. I'm not trying to get a heart attack. But yeah, so I just mixed in the pasta after I simmered, or after I cooked. The shrimp. So everything's nicely coated. Got a little spice to it. Shitload of shrimp in here too, so. How's everybody this weekend? Everybody had a good weekend? So let's see. Friday night, I went out dancing. Went with my brother and a bunch of friends. We went to this Latin spot. They got salsa, merengue, bachata, all that good stuff. I used to go dancing all the time. Literally, like, before I started working nights, I would go during the week, like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It's not easy on the wallet though, or the liver, you know what I'm saying? It was a good time. A couple familiar faces. Always good to see friends. Can't believe I literally put a whole stick of butter in this. I was gonna make this into an ASMR, but I figured what the hell. I'll make a mukbang instead. The one after this, I'll probably do ASMR. I literally go out to eat after or for lunch after I work out. I go to CrossFit 3 days a week, so I gotta do something to cancel out all this fat. You know? I work out so that I can stuff my face. No gains being made here. Just maintaining. I don't know if you guys can see, but I know it just looks like pasta and shrimp, but like I said, there's pepper flakes, there's salt, pepper, adobo, you know that. This is delicious. This is really rich. Back in work tonight for another week. I'm getting full already. Gotta keep going. I plan to do a few mukbangs with some traditional Puerto Rican Christmas season food. Lots of fried things. Maybe I'll do a video and show you guys how I make coquito. There's a 1,000 recipes, but I make it my way, and I haven't gotten any complaints unless people lie to my face. But I'm sorry, for those of you who don't know, coquito is it's like coconut eggnog. We make it around Christmas season. I've had it out of Christmas season though. That's just because I like the way it tastes. This is filling. can't. This might be a fail, but screw it, I'm gonna post it anyway. Yeah, it's a shitload of butter. I'm good. Whew. Thanks for joining, everybody. Hope you enjoyed it. I couldn't finish. It's too much butter in there for me. Tastes good though. But I'll see you guys for the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell. Peace.